Okay, just testing the Sound Splash speaker from Soundlogic. Black or blue, barcode for black. Here, got it for $8.88 from Home Depot. Designed in USA, so you would think it's a USA based company, made in China. Okay, you can use it to pair with us. Well, I'll test it pairing with Nintendo Switch, but you can also test it with a smartphone. And the difference is you can listen to music. It also has a microphone, so for phone calls you can answer, reject, end call, redial, increase and decrease volume. The range is 33 feet. So I'll just turn on. Okay, Nintendo Switch. To see here what it sounds like. Okay. System settings. And Bluetooth audio. Pair a device. See if this shows up. One of the reasons I use Nintendo Switch is because it's just this Bluetooth mode has only been added not too long ago. Okay, Sound Splash. Okay. I didn't fully charge it, and also here's the Bluetooth. This game has a little bit louder sound, so here, switching between Bluetooth now is audio. Again, this is the original Switch, not Switch OLED. Okay, one other game. The microphone, I mean the speaker itself was not fully charged, so I'm not sure if the speaker has a suction cup, so you can stick it onto a tile or glass. Okay, this way. Okay, it's very loud because the speaker was hidden. Okay, let me go to a game that wasn't that loud. Okay, Ghosts and Apples. Okay. It's not loud. Okay, and you can pair it with a smartphone, and it's quite useful product. This video went on a bit longer than I thought it would take me, but I just thought it's very useful product that people should have. And for $8.88 at Home Depot, you go in person. I mean, this is just a no-brainer for someone who needs some assistance or just for video games. So it's something that you can use for people of all ages. And to give you an idea, here's this controller for Xbox. Well, it's for Xbox Series X, Xbox One, PlayStation 3, and PC. But to give you an idea, size of the speaker compared to these controllers. And Switch. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, comment. And just in case, here are the instructions. volume increase, decrease, automatically pairs.